Hello everyone, welcome to Wheel Joint. Today, I'll show you how to disable the rear power windows in a Kia Sportage. This can be helpful in situations where you want to prevent passengers, especially kids, from operating the rear windows. Let's get started. Locate the window lock button on the driver's side door panel. This button is marked with a crossed window icon. Simply push the window lock button into the lock position. To ensure that the rear power windows are now disabled, try to operate the rear windows using the rear window switches. You'll notice that they won't respond, ensuring that the rear passengers can't control the windows. When the power window lock button is pressed, the driver's master control can operate all the power windows, including rear windows. The front passenger's control can also operate its power window. That's it. You successfully disabled the rear power windows in your Kia Sportage. Remember, you can easily re-enable them by pressing the button again, which will move it back to the unlock position. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheel Joint for more Kia Sportage tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.